Hi, I'm Alan with Bedrock Quartz here with Dave. We're going to show you how we make a digital template for granite countertops. The device that we template with is called the ProLiner. This is a digital templating device out of the Netherlands. It uses digital encoders to capture the points that we need for a template. Quite a great piece of equipment. We've really enjoyed having it. And we're going to show you the process in doing this. So Dave here grabs the stylus, and the first part of the template is capturing what the plane of the countertop is. And each time you hear a beep, it's catching a point. So now he's going around the perimeter of the island, capturing the dimensions of it. And this device, using both the encoder on the length and a rotational encoder, takes all that information and puts it into an AutoCAD drawing. And we'll show you here the kind of information that starts to come up on the screen of the ProLiner. It's there drawing up the shape of the island. So when we're templating, we're getting information of the cabinets, also where the stove opening is, which is what this area is right here. We follow around, it comes over into where the sink cabinet is. And we're able to capture where the dishwasher is, which is helpful information. We try to avoid having joints over the dishwashers. So he captures the front of the cabinets, he captures the back wall measurements, and we're able to show whatever curves are in the wall so that we can make the countertops exactly fit whatever the house is. Because every house is different, we're making sure the countertops will fit just right. Our goal is when we bring the countertops out for an install that everything fits just right and we don't have to do any on-site modifications. Something else we're looking at when we come and do a template is watching for things like this when we have a plug in the area of the backsplash, and we have to make sure that we cut around that and accommodate for it. So here we have the finished drawing that this has created. Now this will take some cleanup, but you can see over in this area here we have the corner sink area there. Here's the dishwasher. Here's the island. And here we have a stove countertop, the others. Anyway, all of that is in a three-dimensional drawing that we're able to import into AutoCAD to do all the necessary cleanup work and get it ready for machining. Part of our process includes checking the cabinets for level and for being flat. To do that, we use a laser line generator made by Hilti. You can see over here we've got a completely level laser line drawn on the wall. And what we do is we just take a tape measure in, and we can see where the laser hits the tape measure on various points of the cabinets. And this lets us tell whether we've got variation in the level, whether we have a flat cabinet, whether we have any dips or high points. And it lets us know what we're up against when we come back and do the installation. Sometimes we have a cabinet that's terribly out of level. And if we have that happen, we'll ask the contractor or homeowner to come out and re-level the cabinets. So when we measured this one here, we could see that we actually are quite a ways out. How much out are we on this one?
From this point here to this point here, we're at 1/4 inch.
And for such a small cabinet, that's quite a big change. Part of our final process for each templating is that we take pictures of the entire area. This helps us remember any special details on the project. Also has sometimes covered us on when the cabinet companies come in and move something after the fact or added a cabinet. It helps us a lot to know how to make the template just right.